Today, we are going to talk about one of the most debated questions in the world of mathematics. Is mathematics discovered or invented? It's a topic that has puzzled many. So now we will go deeper into it and see if we can come up with an answer. Mathematicians and philosophers have long argued over whether mathematics is a discovery or an invention. Some people believe that mathematics is a discovery, as mathematical ideas and relationships are supposed to exist independently of human mind and have always existed in the cosmos, waiting to be discovered by humans. This viewpoint holds that mathematical knowledge is discovered via observation and reasoning rather than being produced by mind as an invention. Others believe that mathematics is human creation, evolved through time by trial and error and experiences. According to them, mathematical knowledge is a human invention because humans establish mathematical ideas and connections to comprehend and make sense of the world around them. So first we will discuss why it is thought that mathematics was discovered. Guys, did mathematics already exist in the universe? Many mathematicians think that rather than being created, mathematics was actually discovered. They argue that mathematics is a language that can be understood by anybody, regardless of background or culture. If mathematics is discovered, it means that mathematical relationships and concepts are universal truths that exist apart from the human mind. For instance, the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the square of the hypotenuse in a right-angled triangle equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides, has existed since the beginning of time, even though Pythagoras, an ancient Greek mathematician, was the first to formally prove it. This demonstrates the independence of mathematical facts from human cognition. There is a belief popularly known as the platonism, which supports the idea that mathematics was already out there, waiting to be discovered. According to this belief, mathematics has already been existing in God's or Platonic world of ideas, and what humans need to do is just to find it. It takes its name from the ancient Greek thinker and mathematician Plato. He held the opinion that mathematical entities are abstract and exist separately in a universe that is not bound by space or time. The structure of mathematics, which is the language of science, are inherent in all living things and nature. Even if the universe were to disappear tomorrow, the eternal mathematical truths would still exist. Many mathematicians have supported this view. They have discovered many eternal truths independent of the mind that found them. For example, the number pi, when expressed in decimals, can go on forever, and there is no highest prime number. The solution of many fundamental issues can be found in mathematics, which already appears in nature. The golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion or phi, is a mathematical ratio that is approximately equal to 1.618. It is found in various aspects of nature and is often considered aesthetically pleasing to the human eye. One of the most famous examples of the golden ratio in nature is the spiral pattern of a seashell. The growth of the shell follows a logarithmic spiral that approximates the golden ratio. The same spiral pattern can also be seen in the formation of hurricanes and in the shape of some galaxies. Another example of the golden ratio in nature is found in the proportions of the human body. For example, the ratio of the length of the forearm to the length of the hand is approximately equal to the golden ratio. The ratio of the length of the face to the width of the face is also approximately equal to the golden ratio, and many others. The golden ratio can also be seen in the growth patterns of plants, such as the branching of trees and the arrangement of leaves on a stem. In fact, many flowers, such as daisies and sunflowers, have a specific number of petals that follow the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers closely related to the golden ratio. Actually, the Fibonacci sequence, which bears Leonardo Fibonacci's name, is the source of the golden ratio. This sequence is a mathematical sequence of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. The sequence goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. Interestingly, we can find this sequence at many places in the nature, like pine cones exhibit a spiral pattern in which the number of spirals in each direction follows a Fibonacci sequence. For example, a pine cone may have 8 spirals in one direction and 13 in the other. Another example is of trees. The branches of trees often follow a pattern of branching that follows the Fibonacci sequence, with one branch splitting into 2, then 3, then 5, and so on. One more example is of sunflower. The seeds on a sunflower are arranged in 2 interlocking spirals, with the number of spirals following the Fibonacci sequence. Not just this, seashells such as the nautilus exhibit a spiral pattern in which the growth of the shell follows the Fibonacci sequence. These examples are just a few of the many instances in which the Fibonacci sequence appears. All these examples support the idea that mathematics is embedded in the nature itself, and we just found it. Now, let's discuss why some believe that mathematics was not discovered but invented. There are many mathematicians and thinkers who believe that mathematics is the creation of human mind. They make the argument that mathematical ideas were developed by us as a tool to solve various issues and explain the world around us. If mathematics is an invention, it follows that mathematical knowledge is influenced by human culture and ideas and is dynamic. For instance, humans established the idea of zero to symbolize the absence of anything which is not found in nature. Humans also developed the idea of negative numbers, complex numbers, and many others as a tool to understand the reality of the universe accurately. Although you cannot find anything like negative numbers or imaginary numbers in the nature, but still these are used widely to know the secrets of the real world. So mathematics can also be viewed as a human creation that was created to accurately explain the physical universe. Equations and formula have been created by humans to solve the mysteries of the universe. We didn't find them written somewhere in the universe. Although it's true that nature works as per these rules of mathematics, but that doesn't mean they were already present. Our mathematics has evolved over time. When we say that mathematics is an invention and was created by human intelligence, it means that every invented concept, from wheel and chess to democracy and economics, as well as the mathematics, would vanish if the universe disappeared tomorrow. It also means all the mathematics will be deleted from the universe after our extinction. After discussing both types of beliefs, let me tell you, there are also some mathematicians and scientists who are not on any side. In the center, there are those who claim that mathematics is both discovered and invented. According to this perspective, mathematics is a product of human mind and discovery. They hold that while mathematical relationships and concepts are present in nature, they were only made known to humans via the development of mathematical language and notations. In the end of the video, I would like to say whether the mathematics was discovered or invented, it will always be a powerful tool for comprehending our universe more precisely. So this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.